Hey y'all, welcome back. Okay. I could not be more excited about the product I'm about to review today in this video. This is something I've been seeing blowing up all over my Pinterest feed, my Pinterest feed, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Like, I've been seeing these ads everywhere. And so I'm like, y'all know the drill. I got to buy it and I got to try it. If you hadn't seen this thing, this is something called, which, by the way, it looks like mine got crunched in mail. So I hope when we open this, I have not opened it yet. As y'all can see, it's still sealed. I hope it ain't broke. It's basically a color corrector for your teeth. So it doesn't whiten your teeth. It doesn't do anything to change your teeth. It basically is like makeup for your teeth. Just color corrects your teeth. It makes them appear whiter without actually like bleaching them or anything like that. As y'all can see, this is my natural color of my teeth. I haven't done anything to them. I feel like my teeth, they just look dull. Like they're not super white, which is what I want my teeth to be like. I want to smile and you be like blinded. I want my teeth to be like blue, they're so white. I'm not gonna complain because I don't think my teeth are like super yellow either, despite all the soda and coffee, all that good stuff that I drink every single day, which is what causes your teeth to be stained. Anyways, this is my natural color of my teeth, but we want to go like blindingly white. Let's open this bad boy up. So it looks like all that's in here is literally just a bottle of stuff. That's it. So this is what it looks like. Nice little pump on it for you. So the directions are right on the back. Apply 2 pumps on your toothbrush. Polish in a circular motion for 30 seconds. Rinse your mouth. Don't swallow it. And this is not a substitute for toothpaste, which we know. This is just like a color corrector. So basically the same thing that like blondes use on their hair when their hair gets kind of yellowy and they want it more like cool toned. They use purple shampoo to tint their hair. It's basically like tints the color of your teeth. Let's just try it out. I'm so excited. Toothbrush. Ooh, do you wet your toothbrush? Doesn't say to wet your toothbrush. We're not gonna wet it. Doesn't even say to shake it. We're not gonna shake it either. Here we go. 2 pumps. 1, 2. Okay, that's what it looks like. It's like a thick, super purple gel. And then for 30 seconds, we're gonna scrub it up dub. Here we go. It tastes really minty and good. And it's probably been 30 seconds, but I'm doing some overkill just to... They do look really white. Whoa. So you spit out the excess and rinse your mouth. So, okay, this is after. What do we think? I'm gonna be honest, they look a little brighter, but I'm not seeing a drastic difference, y'all. They still look yellow. And maybe I like brushed it off. It says to rinse your mouth. And I like brushed like I was brushing my teeth. I'll put a side by side up so we can compare. This is the after. I don't know. As far as taste goes, it tastes like a good minty toothpaste. My teeth feel super clean and smooth. I don't have purple anywhere like stained or anything, so that's good. But yeah, I'm just not seeing the bam results that I was hoping for, like these people in these videos. It's like drastic. Wonder if you can use it like back to back. It doesn't really say how often you can use it. I'm gonna go ahead and do it again, because why not? I am a person of excess and I know it. This time I'm just gonna rinse my mouth. I'm not gonna like brush my teeth afterwards. Okay, I'm just gonna rinse my mouth out with water and not like brush anymore, and maybe we'll have a different result. Okay, So that time, I just rinsed my mouth with water. I didn't like continue to brush with the water to like get all the stuff out of my mouth. I just like swished water around my mouth. And here we are again. Still see yellow, especially down here where my like lip rests against my bottom teeth a lot. I see the yellow. Yeah. Still doesn't look bright white to me. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think if y'all have tried this product out. But for me, honestly, I don't think I would buy it again. I don't think it was worth it. Not seeing the results that I wanted. Nope. So, well, that was shocking. I even saw like a video of, I think it was Kim Kardashian doing this and saying like this was her trick to having super white teeth for events and stuff. I'm not seeing it. I mean, if you look at my teeth compared to the white lid, they're not white, which is what I want, but I'm still spitting out purple. I don't know. I'm on the fence with this one. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comments below. I'll also link this through my Amazon link if you want to go grab some and try it out for yourself. Maybe if your teeth are like a lot darker than mine or more stained, maybe it does work. Maybe it just doesn't work for like getting it that bright white. Maybe it just like helps with super dark yellow stains, like lightening them, but not that white that I wanted. Also, stay tuned to my channel because I'm getting ready to test out the banana white for y'all, and we're gonna see if that will get me my white teeth that I want. If this video was helpful, I hope it was for any of y'all that were considering buying this. Give it a thumbs up, and y'all go ahead and subscribe if you hadn't subscribed already. I will see y'all in my next video. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.